Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I got this off of Amazon. It was the cheapest thing that they had. It's just a light bulb, I guess, fixture, mount, whatever. Make sure you always follow the code, your local codes or whatever. My house is so out of whack, I don't really got to do so much around here, and we own it, and they've been doing so much work in this house since like 1950 out of code that in order to fix this house we'd just end up knocking it down. So anyway, follow it in yours, and plus this is not a rental property, so we don't have to like worry so much. If you have rentals and stuff, you have to abide by laws. So this is Legrand. This was the cheapest one that they had on Amazon because I got the cheapest. I just didn't care. I wanted, the main thing is I wanted this. This does come in handy having an outlet. I did not know how handy it was till I saw that my grandpa must have installed them in this laundry room. Like, I think in 1980 he installed them in this laundry room. And yeah, so pretty much it has this little sleeve on it. I don't know why. Oh no, that's how it pops out. Oh, see? That's how it pops out. That's cool. Yeah, whatever. Like I said, this is all plastic. The other one was porcelain, a little bit more. These are pretty good. They until they last. Obviously, when you're putting stuff in here, it's going to be above you. Remember, this is going to wear out. If you're going to put plugs in here with weight, after a while, these are going to get loose in here. These two prongs are going to end up getting loose or worn down, and then your plugs are going to fall out. You got to replace it. It's really, I use these for an emergency kind of thing. I really don't use them like all the time and make it a permanent source of power. All right, so it comes with this string that I already got in a knot. I'm going to mount mine not to a box. I'm just gonna put a power cord on here and then just plug it in. That's the easy way. But I'm just gonna show you like, you know, an installation, not to follow for code, but just to see what this is gonna look like when you mount it on a box and how simple it is. I mean, I'm just gonna wire it. There's a ground. Your neutral is gonna go there. Your white and your you know, L1 is gonna go there. It's a very simple thing. All right, so we'll be right back. There is no instructions. Oh, I forgot because I like to always. Oh, Here's some install instructions. I forgot to show you these, so you guys can give that a pause. Okay, there you go. I'm sorry that I ripped it, but you guys can get the gist of it if you pause that, okay, and see the instructions on there. So I found this extra wire that I'm going to wire it up because it has a switch, so that's going to be awesome for the light, because it's a pull chain or a switch, whatever. So let's go wrap this around here. So these are really thin wires, so they're not made to carry any kind of amperage. You know, so just to let you know, only LED bulbs and stuff like that. If you're, you know, obviously you could put whatever you want if you're going to wire it up. But so always make sure when you're putting in the, you know, anything, you wrap it around the way that you're spinning the screw. If you do it the opposite way, it pulls the wire out, and then you don't have a good connection. I mean, you know, a lot of people already know that, but I'm just letting you know. Okay, so mine's all connected. We're going to drill mine in real quick. You're going to see where I'm going to put it. All right, so my plan is to just stick it up right there. Like I said, I'll follow your whatever code you're going to do. This is just a review about the product. This ain't a review of doing wires correctly or any crap, you know, whatever. Sorry it's not that bright. I can't do nothing about it, but I put in that piece of wood. I want to drill it in. Oh, look, this is where the ground goes. That's pretty cool, but I don't have a ground, so nothing matters. All right, I'm in. Let's put a light bulb in there. Sweet, I found a light bulb to test out. Here's a nice bright one, too. This bulb is awesome. Well, I put it upstairs and it's bright, so we're just gonna screw that in, and then we're gonna run the wire up here. All right, so let's test this thing out and see if it works. I'll shut off the lights. We'll go from far away. That won't really matter. It's just a fixture. Let's see. All right, there we go. So there's the pull chain. Works how it needs to work. And awesome, now I got a lot of light over here. I'm very excited. That's great. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off all the lights and you're gonna see what it looks like. Just to get an idea from far away, if you're gonna put this in your laundry room or whatever. Like I said, I just got it because the outlets, you know, the outlet is going to be useful. All right, so yeah, that's kind of what it's going to look like if you're going to put it up on your ceiling in your laundry room, whatever the case may be. And that's it. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation of that and kind of what you can expect it to look like. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye.